Hey, morning, morning, morning. How's everyone doing? 7:29. All right. Well, we got another day left here or something like that. July, 31 days in July. So, unemployment on Friday. We got some GDP numbers tomorrow. Watch those GDP numbers monthly. All right. That numbers are going to come out tomorrow on Wednesday. What else here? The FOMC is going to talk on Wednesday. Powell's going to have to make a decision. It doesn't sound like anything's going to move on that, but keep an eye out for September. All right, so there might be a better shot at trying to get some of these. See if we can get some of these to get a little bit better on September. See if a cut wants to come there. Tomorrow we got Microsoft and Meta reporting. There's a lot of other stocks reporting, but I cut them down to the big ones for the most part. We got some other numbers coming out this week. Some the JOLTS is going to be coming out on jobs, and then we'll get the initial claims on Thursday. So a whole host of information out here for this week. All right, so that's we got coming into this morning now. It looks like SPY wants to take another day up here. All right, closed out at 638.04. It has traded above there on the overnight. All right, so it's starting to come back down a little bit of a tad here, but looks like SPY's going to take day up again. All right, triple Qs, same situation here, and they kind of gave up on us yesterday a little bit, but then they firmed up at the end of the day. So here we is. 569.04 yesterday. We're trading at 570.57 this morning. Okay, so kind of moving around here a little bit, and as usual, those diamonds are struggling, and they are going to be stuck inside day. All right, gonna have to get through 449.50 to get those to get moving up to the upside. Just doesn't the Dow Jones Industrial Average just does not want to go to the highs. Okay, and again, waiting for that rate cut. All right, so I think that's what the big move is there. All right, couple names here. I'm going to go through some stuff that could be moving around pretty decent today. We'll see what's going on here. UPS, United Parcel Service here, closed at 101.58. This is coming down today. All right, so that's going to take a day downer from 101.23. All right, so we're going to expand down into this 98. Looks like we're 98.70 right now. All right, so we're going to come back up and see if we can get some kind of support level here around this 98.60. I would call it about 98.40 in there. See if that can hold around this 98.40 level. All right. On your month, here you are. It took that month up to 106.87, and they backed that off pretty good too. All right, so and here's our weeks now with the 212 down. Tried to recover here, and it did recover, and here we are back inside, and we're moving lower again this morning. All right, so United Parcel. A little lower here this morning. We'll see if anything, if that can shake anything up and get some stuff moving. All right. PayPal. I don't know about PayPal. PayPal 222 on the month, just looking great. Now you got this shooter coming down, created yesterday. Okay. Now, it's only Tuesday, so remember that now, all right? So Tuesday's breakaway day. So we were in control of those on the same day. So we break away today. Now we wait and see, and we're breaking away. 80.65 it got up to, and it made a move back all the way down to 74 bucks. So we got some volatility going on here. All right, 73 and change right now. All right, so looking for the exits for PayPal here. All right, let's see what they want to do here. If they want to bring it down to where we at here, $74 right now. All right, we're gonna be looking to take out this last week. All right, that's gonna take your month way back down as well. All right, so looking for PayPal to take the 2-2 down on the week. That's gonna be a gapper down somewhere, opening in this area right here, unless something changes in the next. Whatever it's going to be here, about 40 minutes before the market opens. All right, so there is your PayPal moving around here this morning, a little bit lower here. Sophie Bank, Sophie Bank, 2282. The Three Crows coming down on the daily, did try to hammer it back up. That is a pretty nice hammer on the daily, but it's a hanging man. All right, and we're inside. But guess what? They're popping up this morning, okay? So 23.49 against the earnings. So on your months, we're going to firm that up, and we're going to even take that up even a little bit higher. All right, so looking for expansion to be coming back up through this. Going to take out this 22.74. Or we're going to be right around. We're going to be messing around with that. We did get up to 23.49, but they have come back in. So 22.74 right here. So we're going to triangle out all this with the Three Crows down. Triangle out, coming back up. All right, we'll see. I don't know if I'd be chasing Sophie up here. You know, on the same note, 28, 26 is the all-time highs on this thing. So, you know, if she can hold her gains here, and then maybe she might be able to just continue to keep moving along on that Sophie. I'll tell you that. I don't like buying things that are up there so high like that, but that one doesn't look so bad. All right, so Sophie looks pretty decent on your Sophie Bank. GTLS is in the news today as well. So 170, 165 was the close, and we are expanding, man. This thing got all the way up to $211. So we're moving exponentially here. Look at this. It's just been flat on weeks, doing nothing. Okay, and now you're going to get the move here. You're going to be seeing 199 and change. All right, so 199 right in here. Okay, so if you want to triangle out, we're going to have to go back to this high right here, which is $204.23. All right, GTLS could be a good one today. Keep an eye on that one. Could be a good trader for the day. What else we got? Microsoft and Meta are going to report. A couple other names here. This Sarepta has been in the. Hold on here. SRPT. This Sarepta. It's been in my gapper list for like 2 weeks now. Finally starting to get a little bit better. Back up to $19. All right. So. Still coming out of a mess, a big-time mess. Had good volume, though, yesterday, so had good volume on the move on the upside. The month is still going to be been shelled, so it's going to take some while for that to get better. I would still wait out on this one. This thing could triangle out again. We'll see. We get to 2-1 inside the week here now. It has gotten back inside the week. All right, so Sarepta, I'd be a little careful about that one. The meme stocks really kind of died. Donut, where was this donut at? Got down to 396, closed at 411. So this one's coming down a little bit lower. So actually fighting back to 401 right now. GameStop has just not been able to do anything. You see it, 222 down with the month down. There's no reason to go after any of this stuff right now. AMC as well, continuing to go to the downside on your memes. All right, and KSS, same way, KSS. Okay, so there you go. Going back to that UPS, we could take a couple of looks at Federal Express. Federal Express closed at 240, 241. Trying to fight back now, but trading at 240 right now. So that's going to be taking day down. Actually, we're going to be inside, right inside here in FedEx. Okay, so we'll see what that wants to do. Take a look at CHR Robinson, some of your truckers, transportation, 2-2 down on the dailies, and 101.82, 101.82, slightly higher. That is not going to take day up. But watch out for the transportations, U-Haul, and that whole group. We'll see if anything comes out of that. A couple of the airlines are moving around this morning here. Delta Airlines, 55.61. We're now trading at 55.84. We did get higher up to 56.15. We're going to get expansion on the week. We're not taking week up yet. But we're going to get close here, okay? We'll see if those can get going. All right, couple other ones that I kind of like, but they seem to be this Wynn Casino. I mean, it just looks great, right? It's got everything going here. 111.28 this morning. Just opening unchanged. 111.67 actually. We're higher by about 40 cents. All right. That win looks good. You got good expansion on the month. And the question is, can we get back up to 118.08? And more importantly, how are we going to get there? So 111.83, we need to stay above that right now. All right, and we're at 111.27. All right, so support level, we got to be holding like around 106 or something like around that area there. All right, so when MGM 2-2 up on the week. Now MGM got rocked yesterday on the shooter down. I don't think what are we trading at 38.56. So you're coming back inside. So it doesn't look like this is going to go into force, but keep an eye on it. And this is still bullish anyway. So we'll wait and see. That was a big move down yesterday. See that one. Caesar, give to Caesar what is Caesar's. Nothing there. Stuck in the middle with you. Closed at 29.42. It's trading at 29.86. That's going to be inside, but see if they can get. Yeah, I just kind of like the way they look on the monthlies. Las Vegas Sands too. It's got it going on here. All right, maybe exhaustion risk. We don't bother. We don't bother with the exhaustion risk. True exhaustion risk means when there's no bars left to go after. That's what we would call. All right, that's the way we talk about it in the strat. Okay, so and you guys know what actionable signals are. I've been telling you about that. I show you those whenever I see them. This is an actionable signal right inside here. Okay. 2-1 inside on your Las Vegas Sands. Which way you're going to come out of this, okay? So I talk a lot about that. We talk a lot about broadening formations. I haven't really talked out a lot about that, and we got to talk about full time frame continuity, okay? That is when everything lines up and every time frame that we can look at is green. That means that they're participating in every time frame. All right. So again, we do this in the in the Discord. So I chat a little bit about it. But if you want to get better to know it, you could join us in the Discord and then we talk more and more about that kind of stuff. All right. So we'll see what the day may. Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines reported yesterday too. RCL's down this morning. Coming down pretty good too. Closed at 352, down to 329.79. So Royal Caribbean Cruise Line's coming down as well. All right. I will, like I said, go check out all my stuff on the Twitter there on X and my list is on there every day, so you can see it. I put up a little bit of a morning beat, talk about what's going on. All right, so I'm gonna leave it there. I'll see you at lunchtime, and be good. Be good.